Hello guys, this platform is going to allow you create a logo for yourself or anyone for free. Yes, for free. Welcome to my channel Tech with NiiNana. If it's your first time here, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Visit www.namecheap.com or use the link in my description to visit the platform. In this tutorial, I am going to create a logo for Visit Ghana. Yes, Visit Ghana. They intend creating a website and also developing Facebook pages. So I am going to create a nice logo for their brand. Let's begin now. So on the free logo maker page, you enter the name that you intend using and you also describe the nature of the business. Yes, whether you run a bookshop or a tour agency. This one is for tourism and travel agency. So that is what I'm going to input there and click continue. You are given styles to choose from. So you glance through the options and select one. Just like I'm going to do now. Which one do you think is suitable? So I pick the one that I think is visible enough for my client. And that is going to be, okay, let me pick this one. I move on to the next stage to select whether I want it fresh, and the sequence follows. You choose your preferred designs and the system will base on your answers to develop a nice logo for your brand. Here, you choose your preferred colors. Yes, the colors of the logos should be catchy enough. So you glance through and then pick one that you think will suit your brand. You also add a slogan. Yes, I know most businesses or brands have a slogan you add, and you also add the icon that you prefer, whether it's a star, a trophy, or any other symbol. So I glance through and then select one. Then I continue with it. I chose only one icon. So these options, or let's say these samples, have been developed for me. It's loading, so let's wait for it to load and then have a good look at all of them and save the one that we prefer. These are simple logos that you can create for yourself or any other brand. Text-based logos. Like I always say, if it's your first time on my channel, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions as well, leave them in the comments section, as I will take time to reply you. From the samples, I choose the one that I prefer and I further work on it. Yes, after you choose the one you prefer, you can change the colors and do some few other touches on it. And just have a look at that. Very beautiful. Aside the logo, you can also create a business card. You can make money from this platform if you pay attention to it. You can design a shirt or social media banners with this platform. Yes, it's a simple AI branding tool for every content creator. And this is it if you would want to add a website to your client. You just log in or sign up to download the logo after designing. Check the link in my description and register now. I already have an account with Namecheap, so I'm going to log into that account and download the logo that I just made. I log in with my credentials and I am asked to confirm whether I am the one signing in using my phone. So I receive a security code on my phone and then use it to confirm the sign-up process. Once I log in successfully, I'll be able to download the new logo that I just made. And that is it. Visit Ghana. Yes, I'm definitely going to enjoy my logo. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech with NiiNana for more. See you soon.